So I know nothing about. I actually thought about going into gold and crypto.
Right.
I know you do a little bit of crypto,
Yes,
right? But
yes.
let's start with gold because I know nothing about gold and trading gold. I just see it as like something I would buy and keep and wait for it to go up. And so, how does it happen? Where does the gold come from? How does it come into the? Tell me the story.
Well, the history of gold, it comes from ancient of days.
Okay.
And to talk about where it comes from, it will take days to cover the whole topic.
But the one you get, it's coming from Africa.
It's coming from Ghana specifically.
Okay.
It's coming from Ghana specifically. So over a decade now, I've been involved in gold trading. That's exactly how I got to Dubai, because I was bringing quantity of gold from Ghana to Dubai to sell to buyers. Then I'll go back to Ghana. So I was a pretty trader. Coming to gold, it's wealth given by nature. Yeah. All right. This is the only
all wealth is nature.
Yes. All right. Yeah. Okay. It comes as a natural resources, right? Yeah. This is the only source of wealth that can be preserved for years.
Yeah.
So if we are standing in front of a Lamborghini, I will just show you. Buy this, buy gold, don't buy this. Yeah. Because in years, the price of Lamborghini is going to depreciate, but the value of gold, it's either going to go high or it's still going to be the same. Yeah. It's the best form of storing the value of your wealth, especially in times of recession and inflation. Gold is the best option when it comes to investment. Yeah. It's not real estate, it's not automobile, it's gold. Yeah. Gold is old money and it remains the new money. It's the only form of wealth in terms of natural crisis. You can still pick it and go your way.
Yeah. I mean, the dollar used to be backed by gold.
Yes.
Until I think 40 years ago. So how does someone get into gold? So if I want to get into gold now, and you know me, I don't want to pay market price. I want to get it cheaper.
Right. If you don't want to pay market price, then it means you have to go on wholesale purchases.
Okay.
So what I basically do for investors or buyers is, gold is quite a risky business. If you don't take care, you are going to be scammed. A lot of people have bad experience dealing with gold from Africa or from other countries. So they are scared getting into the gold business, but a lot of people want to get into it. Now, what is the major problem? People are sitting in their houses and dealing with people sitting behind the internet.
Right.
Who are you going to hold responsible when you are scammed? The internet, your computer, or who? People are using fake identities to receive money or to deceive investors into thinking they have huge volumes of gold available. Yeah. And some of these people play on the greed of investors. Yeah. Personally, when I'm bringing gold to Dubai for investors, the maximum you are going to get is 1.5% discount on LME price. Right. Maximum, because gold basically from Ghana is quite expensive. So nobody can give you 5% discounts, 10% discounts. It's only scammers who want to play on your intelligence, play on your greed, play on your weakness, who will tell you, I'll give you 10%. Bring me $5,000 upfront and I'm going to ship gold to you. They are all fallacies. It's not true. Right. So what I do for investors is, because I have been here for years, the past 12 years, I have established myself. I have built trust among investors and people. They come and leave their money with me. Say, Patrick, I need 100 kg of money. This is my money. It's $6.3 million. I need you to source gold from Ghana and bring it to me in Dubai. Right. You are responsible for the payment I am making, and you are responsible for the gold that I have to get here in Dubai. So this is what I do for these people.
Right. Okay. So for someone who doesn't have $6 million, where do we start?
So some of these individuals who want to take 100 kg and stuff, it's either asset management companies, institutional investors who want to buy it to store value. Yes. Recently, I had a real estate company in Europe who said, hey, listen, the real estate market is sinking. and we want you to get us gold so that we can preserve the value of our capital
currency,
for our investors without losing. Because listen, we are seeing recession, we are seeing inflation, we're seeing the American economy, being bloated, different banks collapsing. That is risk against your money. All right. So they said, this is what we want to do so our investors can be protected.
Right.
So we are sending you the money, get us 100 kg over a period of 2 months.
So would the best way be for like someone who's just starting out in this, a young person who wants to invest in gold, would it be to go through a institutional investor? Would it
no,
be
so if you a retail buyer, you want to buy just some few pieces of gold coins just for yourself, all right? You can go to Gold Souk, maybe some few grams or some few pounds. You can go to Gold Souk, but you're not going to get it. You get it at a discounted price. It's going to be premium pricing because it's retail, all right? So you can get from Gold Souk, Emirates Gold, Barakat Gold. You can get from there in coins or in small bars.
But you're not going to get the discount.
No. I mean, I deal on wholesale. So I bring for jewelry companies, institutional investors, family offices, asset management companies, or even individuals who feel like, hey, I have gathered investors, we want to buy gold. So the minimum volume I do is 20 kg, which is around $1.6 million. These are the minimum that I do because we have to take from the mines directly in Ghana. We have to ship through the best medium, recommended by the government of Ghana to bring it to Dubai.
Right.
And you see, bringing it to Dubai also, whoever we're bringing it to, they have to follow the government approved procedures. Especially you have to be considerate in when it comes to AML issues.
Right.
Dubai is very much concerned about AML.
What's AML?
Anti-money laundering.
Oh, right. Okay.
So if you have a company here in Dubai or you want to set up a gold company here, so I can help you to buy gold from Ghana, then you have to make sure you follow all the requirements. You need your gold license, you need your serial approval, you need your office with the approved camera positions recommended by SIRA. You need your VAT registration, you need your bank account, you need AML certification, so that you can do filing in case you take payments in cash. Any payment that you take in cash, you have to file it on the AML portal for the government to see what you are doing. Once you are transparent, you are okay to work with gold in Dubai. Okay. It's pretty straightforward. And Dubai is one of the most safest places to do gold.
Okay, cool. So you also do crypto.
I invest in crypto, but I don't do crypto on behalf of people. What I do on behalf of people is the gold. But crypto is personal. Because crypto is quite very risky and volatile. And I don't advise people, or I won't give personal advice to people to go into crypto. That's my own personal risk.
Right.
Okay, but I don't advise anybody. If you want to invest in crypto, you have to seek proper advice and guidance from an approved crypto lawyer or an approved crypto trader.
So that's the thing. It's like, crypto came and there was the boom with Bitcoin and all that stuff. And I feel throughout that period, there were no clear guidelines, legislations where you get advice and stuff like that. And I feel crypto is just a currency based on popularity. If it's popular, then
just the
hype, value goes up. And, I invested a little bit in it as a test.
I invested a lot, and I'm still bleeding. I'm still bleeding here. That's why I don't want to talk about it. I'm bleeding. If I had invested that money into gold, by now I'll still have my gold shielded. If anywhere I want to go, if it's 1 kg, I can carry it along with me, like my baby, protected, secured.
So with crypto, people need to find someone who's a certified expert in Ghana,
who can give them proper guide. Because if you give the wrong guide,
because it's so open, it's so open. If you look at like investing in stock markets, not everybody does it, or forex and stuff like that.
Right.
It's still kind of almost like a specialized. Once you get into it, you're considered a trader.
Yeah.
But crypto is almost to the point like it's like a pastime. It's like a hobby. I just log onto something, I put some money, and expect
and you expect that it will boom in
$50,000 in a few days.
Yeah.
And it, for me personally, it has the same similarities as the stock market,
Correct.
but a lot more riskier, because
very risky.
Stock markets, like you say, are
regulated. They are regulated, and they are regulated. Yeah.
And they're based on stocks of gold, stocks
correct.
of resources, stocks of I don't know, cattle, whatever it might be. There's something tangible that is necessary and needed in life, and that's what holds the value.
And it's based on real entities, real companies, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, stocks. You know, it's not a mirage. Okay, like crypto. Like, okay, so if you said I should buy this TK token, who is TK token? Based on what? I mean, from where?
Yeah.
If I want my money, how do I get it?
And you know, the other thing I've noticed recently, there are scammers out there.
All over.
People get in touch with you and become friends with you on the internet.
Then they will start introducing
and start pushing you to say, you know, try and invest in one crypto or the other. And I've had like 2 of them, you know, and it's like, okay, you know, you talk about French. You could sometimes I meet people on the internet, and you know, you start talking about businesses and stuff like that, and they keep driving, invest in this crypto, and I just made $300,000 on this crypto.
They are just thieves. They are lying. You know, very soon I'm gonna come up with a gold club, you know, where I'm gonna educate people on either trading gold online or trading physical gold, and why you need to start buying gold. You know, for the future, you don't have to go into it buying 1 kg, 10 kg. No, you can start with few grams, 2,000 dirhams every month. You know, just to at least you need something to shield your wealth, right? So I'm gonna come up with a gold club very soon, where I'll be educating people on how to buy gold, how to get into gold, when to buy, when to sell. You know, it's like trading, either online or physically. You know, to protect their wealth.
Cool. Fantastic. No, I look forward to that. No, absolutely. Because I think
it's important to share what we know and what makes us money. Or what have made us money over the years. I mean, for all that I do, gold makes me money more than anything that I do.
Interesting.
Gold makes me money more than anything.
I think maybe I'm in the wrong businesses.
No, you're not in the wrong business. No, I mean, it can be another stream for you.
You see, like, I've learned the lesson the hard way as well, and I think COVID really kicked my butt on that, which is like, you cannot have one stream of income.
No way.
And so in the last 3 years, I have just like banging it out in terms of different businesses, in terms of different streams of income, just to set myself up, at least in the next 5 years, that things start rolling.
Especially in Dubai, Habibi. Habibi, you can't depend on one salary.
Yeah, you can't. It's a trap.
It's just a big trap. That's the way.
Nothing is cheap, and especially when we come from the corporate world, we are trained to be an employee. We are conditioned to have a job. You leave a job, you go to another job. And most corporate businesses don't give you that leeway to say, okay, let me explore myself as a business person or entrepreneur. They potentially see it as a competition against the business, or that you're not going to be productive and stuff like that. And that's one thing I like about COVID. COVID came and said, listen, people can work from home, people can have a side hustle, people can do other things, and while still being very productive as employees. I mean, we've seen it now where Sharjah has introduced a 4-day week. There's whispers it might be happening in Dubai and other parts of the MENA region. So, you know, I always encourage people to explore your other avenues. Because at the very least, you learn more about yourself and what you're capable of doing outside of work.
Absolutely. The major problem is the human mind is not wired for success. You know, the human mind is wired for survival.
Right.
That's why when people feel they are getting salary here, it becomes a safe and a comfort zone for them. That's where they're going to stick. Because of the fear of failing in another stream of income. But it is comfort zone will rather kill you. Comfort zone will mean you are not elevating. If you are taking 1,000 dirhams of salary and that is all you want to take, then you don't have dream to become what we're seeing out there in other people.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that's how the human mind is wired. And that comes with school education.
Yes, yeah. No, you're right.
We are not trained there to do business.
You are not. So, one of the courses I studied at university was business information systems, which is the technical systems, but also used to achieve business goals.
Right.
So it's a bit technical, but it's about how to do business. But it's about how to innovate a business to be technically sound,
correct,
or digitally sound. And then I did another course on business management. And out of all my courses, none of them taught me how to go and register for a business license.
No way.
None of them taught me about how to do a business. None of them taught you how to be an entrepreneur.
Not Pythagoras theory.
So everyone is teaching you how to be a good employee, but nobody's teaching you how to be an employer.
Teaching you how to be a good employee is you being wired for survival.
For survival. Absolutely.
Not for success.
Absolutely. And that's why I say, people should think outside that box.
Right.
At least, even if it's a hobby, maybe just say, how can I get something out of this that's a return on investment, and push it that way. Patrick, I think we're out of time. But again, thank you so much.
Thank you, Izu.
I've learned a lot about gold. Let me know about your gold club. I want to be part of it.
It's been exciting. It's been exciting. A lot is coming. Is coming. There's a book on the way coming.
Fantastic.
On gold in Dubai.
Nice.
There's a gold club coming up. Yeah. There's a lot coming.
Fantastic.
We need to give out value.
Absolutely. I agree. It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Patrick.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yep. Good one.
Yeah.